Hello. It has been a minute since I have vlogged or done anything sitting down, just random, you know. I'm on break, fall break. Thanksgiving is this week, and I've decided to get my shit together. I do work out at school around 4 days a week, 5 days a week sometimes, and I lift and whatever, and I do ab workouts. But I don't work out as much as I'd like to. And I'm not eating as clean as I'd like to. So I'm trying to get back into that. And my room is disgusting because I never have time to clean it. Because whenever I do have time, I just want to sit down. Because I'm at school and I'm always doing homework, or I'm running around, or I'm doing chores or whatever. I don't have time to just get my shit together during the week when I have school. That's what this video is. I'm literally gonna name it Getting My Shit Together. My face is starting to clear up because of my handy dandy and not sponsored. But Curology, if you want to sponsor me, I am totes my goats down for that, alright? So if you notice me, hello. But I've been using Curology. I just got it again. I got it a while ago, like a year ago. I thought it didn't work, but I looked back at my older videos and it did. But I was breaking out really bad for about a month. Like October and then beginning of November. But now it's just like some spots. But like now I just kind of have texture. But besides that, I'm not like horribly breaking out, and that's because of Curology, and I'm so happy. So that's one part of getting my shit together. I took apple cider vinegar when I woke up and I showered, so that kind of felt good. Did I eat a cinnamon roll when I woke up? Yeah. Am I gonna regret that later? For sure. Did I wake up bloated today? Of course, because I ate cinnamon rolls last night too. I only ate one, but you know, yeah. And right now my uncle is here with his kids, so Aaliyah and my little like baby cousin, Justin. So right now, I'm going to go throw my clothes in the washer. And right now, I just took out the trash, and I fed the dogs, and I fed the cats. I've just been on crack lately, and I want to clean, which is kind of odd. Give me as many video ideas, because I need a lot. Because I've been like really unmotivated to film, because I don't know what to film. Because I love filming, and I love editing, but I don't have content. So let me know. And I know some of you are gonna say, like, it's your channel, do what you want. You're right. But I want what do you guys want? You know? Play Suicide Boys.
Shuffling songs by Suicide Boys on Amazon Music.
Ooh, this is like a one.
I don't want nobody else. I don't want the dying.
Let's go. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, that's gross. And go. Alright, so it's clean. It's just now I need to wash my blankets and sheets and all that. It still has one more rinse. I forgot I put this in my pocket at school. Yeah, it doesn't look cute, but it's all right there. I just got my clothes out of the dryer. I just put my sheets in the dryer. And then now I put my comforter in the washer. So it's Sunday. That means Sushi Sunday for my mom's channel. So I'm gonna eat sushi. I'm gonna do my makeup. Probably gonna get copyrighted, but that's okay. I am ready. I haven't worn eyeliner in so long. I'm gonna go drive in my backyard. Hi, I'm driving. It's fine. I know how mommy feels. She's always complaining. I didn't understand why.
Yeah, you're a pro.
Why?
I don't know. Yeah, you're getting confident.
Yeah. Hey, look, there's the globe. So when can I get my permit?
Ask your mom. That's not me.
Well, I like that you're not scared.
Me?
Yeah, you know? Like, mommy would be screaming at me if she were in the car. You know?
Drive with your mom. Of course I'm not scared.
Oh. What? Yeah? See, I told you. I'm fine. Right? Yeah. That was actually
That's pretty good.
I need to make my bed also, but we won't talk about that. Okay, this is my workout outfit for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna put some shorts on because it's hot. And try. I don't know what it looks like, but it feels secure, and that's all I care about. And then like a half. Okay, that's it. It's crooked. It's 8 in the morning. I got up at 8. I was gonna go back to sleep, but I was like, no, get up. And so I got up. It's 8:25 right now. It was just on TikTok for 25 minutes.
Oh my god, what the heck?
I've been up for an hour.
Oh, I just did this. He's turning us.
It's a trend right now. 9:30. I will go work out.
Should be so confused. I know.
It's many hours later. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know. I didn't put anything away. I don't know if I vlogged after I worked out. What if they don't believe me? My mom says I should film it now because there's green onions. Alright, this is my meal. Tofu. I basically showed you already, but this is it. Pretty. Love that. I'm so excited. I'm about to clean because I'm not doing anything and I'm gonna listen to music. This is the dough. This is double, so it's like a lot more, but it rose so much. Okay, so it's Tuesday. That's pretty much it. So this video wasn't the best. I didn't particularly like it, but I also liked that it was all over the place because that's pretty much how my life is. It's all over the place, and me trying to get my shit together was me all over the place. I pretty much did. I've worked out Monday and Tuesday, and I didn't, even though I really didn't want to today, I did. And yeah, I want to film tonight, so that's part of like being productive and everything before Thanksgiving. So we have a lot of stuff to do for Thanksgiving because we're going to two families' houses. So if you want to, please like comment some video ideas for me. Anything. I will take anything at this point, because I love filming and editing. I already said this in the beginning of the video, I'm editing it right now, but I really could use some video ideas. So yeah, I love you guys, and thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. I don't say it enough, but I appreciate you guys, and yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That was kind of cringy.
Because he doesn't want to move the ladder.
He could reach him.
I always do it like this.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I could do it.
Oh, you can do it. Hold it now.
What?
Hold
Oh. This light is annoying. What? It's stuck. That only would happen to me. Thanks.
Oh shit.
What?
it. Almost fell.
Hold on.
Yes, I pronounced the H. Hold on.
Matt with his jams.
I know.